Hello, Escambia County Public Schools. Join us for a quick Tech Tips in a Flash video where we'll explore the new Google Vids. What is Google Vids? Well, it's a fantastic tool used to create interactive video lessons that'll make your students excited to learn. And what's really great is that it's free and built right into the Google Workspace for Education platform. So let's get started. Sign in with your Google account and go to your Google Drive. Then select New and scroll down to select Google Vids. The landing page takes you to three choices. You can start with a template. There are lots to choose from. You can select Record to make a video of yourself, or you can upload a video, GIF, or image. I'm going to close out these options and just start with a blank Google Vids interface. Now let's take a look at the menu items in the Google Vids. You'll notice it is very similar to all the other Google applications such as Google Drive, Google Slides, etc. And for ease of use, most of these elements can be found in the menu bar under the main menu or over on the right side. These all do the same thing, and you could choose whichever menu area you are most comfortable with using. Now I'm going to hop over to a video I previously worked on to show you some of the features I used as just an example. I started out by selecting a template. You can add all of the scenes of the template by selecting at the bottom where you can select all of the scenes, or you can just add a couple like I did. And as you notice, I changed the colors of the template so that it kind of had a matching theme. Then I selected a video using the stock and web feature. I was able to find a video of a teacher that I wanted, and I inserted that and added a background. You can record directly in Google Vids also. So you can pick scripts and you can decide on a script. Then you can go down and select Record Yourself and select VoiceOver. I added a welcome students to my recording. And then you can see where it lands over here at the beginning of the scene. Next, I added text where you can pick fun designs already created for you. You can record directly in Google Vids, trimming your videos, adding captions, and even including background music. The background music is in the stock and web, and I decided to select music and search for teacher so that I could find something that would be for educators. And I liked the first one called School Music, and I dragged it onto my timeline. You can see down here at the bottom. I also was able to right click it and pick sound and then make it have a fade, so at the very end it'll fade out. Let's take a look at the finished product. So you can keep building out the video, but I want to show you my favorite feature where you can share this with others. Simply go to Share, just like all the other Google products, and add people to your video to collaborate with them. Also, you can get the pull down next to Share and copy the link or export to Drive, or you can go to File and download it as an MP4. Just a few tips and tricks to mention. Create instructional videos for students to watch at home, freeing up class time for discussion and activities. Empower students to create their own videos to demonstrate their understanding. Ensure all students can learn by adding captions and transcripts. Keep in mind when making your videos that you should start with a clear learning goal for your video. Keep videos focused and to the point. Use images, animations, and diagrams to support your message, and record yourself a few times to get comfortable. Google Vids is a game changer for educators. It's time to take your lessons to the next level. Start creating interactive video content today and watch your students' engagement soar. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more ideas to support student learning. because that is a bite of tech.